The A300 is our biggest new investment. It's quiet, fuel efficient, spacious. But if our crew doesn't make you feel comfortable, it won't matter what plane you're flying.
The A310 could seat 218 passengers in a two-class configuration and could travel a longer distance of up to 5,000 miles.
Airbus A320 is a family of narrow-body medium-range aircrafts, developed by the Airbus Corporation in mid-1980s.
The A330 has been Airbus's best-selling wide-body, racking up more than 1,700 orders from airlines globally.